Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can figure out what the name of a song is on a reel on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, depending on the reel, this might get a little bit tricky since reels do show the song name right above or below the name of the author of the reel or the account that posted it, and there are a couple of different things. For example, if the reel is reposted from TikTok or something like that, it'll just say original audio even though it is not. However, you can also figure out what the song is if you just scroll through the reels. Now I'll just go through the reels, and as you can see, the first reel is this, which is, I don't know, something about American politicians and businessmen. Don't really know, but as you can see right below the name of the account that posted this, you can see it is a Taylor Swift song. So if I click on it, as you can see, or if I tap on it, it'll show you exactly what the song is, and it'll show you some reels that the song has been used in. Now, even if you can't see the real song, if you can't see the name, what you can do is you can use a third-party app. For example, you can use Shazam, and this might not work great because I have everything muted for recording reasons. However, if you go into Shazam, you can just long press and it'll turn on auto Shazam. And if I go back into this reel, if I let it play for a bit, it should detect the Taylor Swift song. So let me just give it a couple of seconds for it to register. Now it might be also hearing my voice, so it might be getting confused. So let me just go ahead and shut up for a second, and it might actually detect it. Alright, and for some reason it's not detecting anything, so let me just turn it off and turn it on again and try to shut up again. Alright, so it cannot detect what is actually being played here, and the reason for that is I'm pretty sure it takes in the input from your microphone, and if you have the song or the reel not muted, it will be able to detect the sound, and if your phone has some output, if it outputs through the speaker, the microphone will pick it up and it'll recognize the song. You might be able to use any other software as well, however I do like to use Shazam. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, if you go into another reel, this it's something, I don't know, something religious, and it keeps just giving me some ridiculous reels. I don't know why, but usually you'll just see that you have original audio right below the name of the account, and that's how you know that there is no song placed through Instagram, and if it has a song, that song was through something else. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.